Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up WordPress website. However, check out the link in the description below to get started with a free account. So let's get started. Now, in order to back up our website, we need to get a plugin. Now, let's get to our plugins section and then go to add new plugins. After clicking add new plugin, we are going to search for Updraft. So this is Updraft and we are going to back up our website using this tool. So now we are going to click install now. After the installation is complete, we are going to click on activate. Alright, so it says press here to start. And now it's just taking us to some tours. So we're going to close this window. And now we are here in the backup menu. So we can click here by selecting backup now. However, if you want your website to automatically back up, then you can go to settings and then here you can select file backup schedule. Make sure to select your backup interval. So let's just suppose that we want our website to back up weekly. And how many backups do you want? So let's suppose that I want last 3 backups of my website. If you want the database backup, then you can select the database backup interval. And also you can select how many database backups you want at a time. And then you can select a remote storage for your backup. So you can select Google Drive, Dropbox, and any other file hosting services here. So I'm just going to go to Google Drive. You can sign into Google from here. Before that, we're going to save changes here. And then sign into Google. So as you can see, my last backup was successful and I have set up automatic backup for my website using Updraft Plus. And the time here might not be matching because my time zone is different. It's at +6. So it's going to show you the default time zone. However, the website has been backed up. So that is how you can back up your website and also set up automatic backup according to your will. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.